Let's learn how to get Binance QR code for receive payment. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but you can follow up even with your phone. There is a lot easier to do, but this thing is not hard to do on PC also, so let us start. First, we need to go to Binance dashboard. To do that, we can go to our P2P order, and this will open us a dashboard. Now from here, click on more, and then go to this pay section here. This will load up new window. Once you're here, click on this receive gray button, and now here will appear your QR code for receiving a payment. You can set currency amount here, so you can choose, do you want Bitcoin, enter amount, and enter a note message if you want. This is optional, you don't need to do that. And then you will click on confirm. If you want, you can save your QR code. You will get a picture saved to your documents or files, and now you can use this QR code for receiving your payments. That's it. See you in the next video.